What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. I am Will, and this is Will's Gadgets and More. So today, we're going to take a look at a very unique shotgun microphone that was sent out to me by a company called Comica. So a big shout out to them for sending this over for a review. So here's the packaging that it comes in. As you guys see from the picture, it is a very unique looking shotgun microphone. So this is the Comical Traxshot transformable all-in-one shotgun microphone. Has a very unique look, but it also has some unique features as well. So let's get into this box and check it out. All right, guys, so we're back in. Here's the packaging. We'll take a quick look around the box, then we'll get into it. So Comical professional audio equipment, a nice picture of the unique design on the microphone there. So this supports smartphones, cameras, and computers. Traxshot transformable all-in-one shotgun mic. So here is a couple of modes that you get here. So you get mono and bi-directional mode as well. We're going to get into all of that as well. Then on the other side, you got your stereo modes, 30 degree and 90 degree. And then here's the back of it, some of the features right here. Super cardioid transformable all-in-one shotgun mic, multi-modes switching, innovative and effective airflow shock absorption design, IPS stream for intuitive power, audio dynamic, working modes, stepless gain control, real-time monitoring, and LCF. Built-in rechargeable lithium battery, supports USB-C interface to upgrade the system. Internal wind-proof design, effectively reduce basic wind noise, high-density wind muff, effectively filter the high-level wind noise, and universal for cameras and smartphones. So that is that right there. So let's get into the box and check it out, see what we got here. Unboxing knife on the deck. So this is a unique shotgun microphone. I've seen a few videos on it, and this thing is awesome, man. So I can't wait to demo this myself. And it's going to be a nice add-on for Will's Gadgets and More. Try not to go beast mode on the box. All right, box was trolling me just a little bit there. So let's get into it. So, whoa, that is it. As far as the box is concerned there, you get a nice carrying case here that has Comica on it. Beautiful, beautiful design, black and orange and white. So you got something to carry the microphone in, which is great. So the first thing you're looking at here is the microphone. A little bit bigger than what I assume it would be. So let's see what else we have in here. So we have some wind socks. Dead cats, as they call them. You have two of them. As you guys see, it has the name branding on here. And these just simply slide over the two mics. Poison for the trolls, like one great YouTuber says. And then you have your user's manual here. All right, so let's take a look at what else we have here. So it looks like we have a cable here, and this is to hook up to your, I think this is cell phone here, or this may be camera, or both. So we'll look at that later in the video. You also get a charging cable here, type A to type C. And we get another cable. And I think this one's for camera and the other one's for cell phone. You go by the rings, and I can't remember straight off right now, but we will break that down in the video. So nice carrying case here, foam pad in it. You have a place to store your cables and everything here. I'm gonna put that to the side for right now. Okay, guys, so here's a close-up of the mic. As you see, it has some branding on the top, Traxshot, You have a rear and a front. So this has 4 different modes that you can go in, and I'll get to those in a minute. So you got a 3.5 millimeter jack right here where you can monitor your mic with some headphones. You do have your gain control from 0 to 10. You have a power/low filter button here, mode button where you can cycle through. You got your display here. You got your out, which goes to your camera or cell phone. You have your Type-C for charging and for updates. And you also have down at the bottom, you have your airflow shock absorption system here, which is going to give you some great balance there. And then on the bottom, you have your cold shoe mount / quarter external port right there. So that is it. So some of the positions you can put it in, you got your mono, which is here. You have your 30-degree stereo, which is there. And then your 90-degree stereo like this. And then these are marked rear and front. So if I was interviewing someone, I would have it in this position where I could talk back here and they can talk there, and it'll pick up both of us simultaneously. And that is it. So let's go ahead and turn it on. Look at the little LED display here. So what's displayed on here, as you guys see, is picking up my voice already. You got your battery percentage there. You got your low cut filter mode indicator there. And then you have the position that you have the mics in. So that right there, that's in bi-directional. Cycle through here. That'll be mono. You got your 30-degree stereo and your 90-degree stereo. So those are the 4 modes that you can put it in. And you do have your gain control here. As you guys see, as I increase that or decrease it, the indicators there are going up higher as I talk, as you guys see. So you can control that. And at the same time, with your headphones, you can monitor your input as well. So all right, guys, so let's get this set up on my Sony ZV-1 and we're going to check it out. All right, guys, so we're back in. Here's my Sony ZV-1. Great camera. This has a 3.5 millimeter jack on it. Awesome camera, but as you see, the microphone is just as big as the camera. So this is going to look kind of weird, but I'm anxious to use it. So the Sony ZV-1 has a cold shoe right here. You're going to take this and slide it in. For those that may not know, just slide this in like that and tighten down the nut. And this is the look that we're going to get right here. So the cables from earlier, this is just for people that don't know, because I forgot myself. This is TRRS with the 3 stripes. And then you have TRS. This one with the 3 stripes is going to be for using with your cell phones. With the 2 stripes is going to be used for using with your cameras. So since we're using a camera, we're going to use the 2 stripes. We're going to go over here, hook it to the out on the microphone, and then hook the other end into the Sony ZV-1 right here, just like that. And this is the look that we're going to get right here. So we're going to go ahead, open this up, and this is what we're going to get. This is the look that we're going to get. Now, if I wanted to use the wind muffs, I will simply slide these over the top of the mic like this. And I may try these outside when we do the outside portion of the video. So let me go ahead and put these on just like this. And this is what it's going to look like just like that with the wind muffs. But we're going to be shooting inside first. Let's go ahead and turn it on. Long press. And there you are. You get the startup logo. So as you guys see, it's still picking up. Now, right now, this is in mono mode. I can turn on or turn off the low cut filter right there if I want. So that's off, that's on, and that's off. And as you cycle through, it will tell you in what positions you need to have the mics. So we're going to start off in mono just like this. And don't forget, guys, you can take and monitor your input with a pair of headphones. Now, I don't have a high quality pair of headphones, but I'm going to use those anyway, the ones I have. So here it is right here. I'm going to start off in the mono mode. I'm going to use the onboard mic on the Sony ZV-1 first, and then I'm going to plug in and we'll go through the 4 different positions. So let's go, y'all. Okay, guys, so this is the Sony ZV-1. I have it in auto mode. I have the audio level about halfway, and this is the quality of sound that you're going to get. So now I'm going to plug in the Traxshot. I'm going to adjust the gain to about halfway, and it's going to be in mono mode. So let's try that out. I'm about an arm's length away from the camera as well. So let's try the Traxshot out. All right, guys, so this is the Traxshot. I have the gain at about 5, same distance from the camera. This is in the mono mode. What do you guys think about the quality of the sound of this? So next, let's try the 30-degree stereo. Okay, guys, so this is 30-degree stereo, and I think with the stereo modes gives you a wider area to record. If I had a group of people here or I had an event or something going on, then this would allow for greater coverage of the mic. Now, I do have the low cut filter on. The gain is at about 5, about 7 or 8 feet away from the camera. So this is what you're gonna get. So let's do the 90-degree. All right, guys, so this is the 90-degree stereo. Again, with the stereo, I think it gives you a wider area for the mics to cover. So if I'm way over here, then you should be still picking me up pretty good, and over here as well. So I'm about 7 or 8 feet away from the camera. The gain is at 5. The low cut filter is on there as well. Move over this way towards this mic, and then back over here. So should be still picking me up very well. Low cut filters on. Now I'm about 3 feet away from the camera, and this is the stereo. So okay, guys, so I have a participant to help me with this part of the video. So we're gonna try out the bi-directional on the Traxshot. So right now we're using the Sony ZV-1 onboard mic, and this is my grandson here. Say hello, Jalen.
Hi.
So how's your summer going right now?
Great. If I can keep sleeping all day.
Why you want to sleep?
Because I like to sleep.
Okay, guys, so this is the onboard mic. So now I'm going to plug in the Traxshot, and we're going to try it. Okay, guys, so now we have the Traxshot in. This is the bi-directional mode. We're going to see how this sounds in comparison to the onboard mic. I am about 2 feet away from the back of the mic. Jalen's about 3 feet away. So how is summer going, Jalen?
Great.
Are you anxious to return to school?
I don't want to go to school.
So why don't you want to go to school? Because
I just don't want to. I don't want to have homework all day. I just want to play games and sleep all day.
So when are you going to record on your channel again?
You had to bring that up.
Yes.
Yeah.
You're on the spot.
Okay.
Cut it short. Make it a short answer.
It's gonna be a while.
Okay. All right, guys.
Do it, though.
Okay, guys. So this is my grandson giving me a hand. I appreciate it. Thank you, Jalen.
You're welcome.
All right. Let's continue with the video, guys.
I'm back.
Okay, guys, so I have it on a tripod, a little gorilla pod-like, and I'm just wiggling it and shaking it intentionally to see how the shock absorption works on it. And this is what it would sound like. I have it in mono mode. This is what it sounds like if you're using it for a vlog, and if you walking or whatever. I'm shaking it a little bit more than what it would be if you were walking, but checking out the shock absorption. So let's finish the video. Okay guys, so we're back in. This has been my look at the Comical Traxshot transformable all-in-one shotgun mic. A very different type of mic that you can get from the rest of them. Offers features that a lot of the other shotgun mics do not offer. It has its own built-in battery and string here, where you can control your gain and things like that right from the microphone. You also have a 3.5 where you can monitor your input as well, and then you got your out here going to your phone or your camera. You also have a Type-C for charging it and for software updates as well. I do like the idea of having these buttons here where you can cycle through the different modes. You got your 90-degree stereo mode and your 30-degree stereo mode. This is 90 and this is 30. So it was difficult for me to demonstrate the stereo mode on here. I see on some videos where they'll have these out and they'll film a car passing by from left to right or right to left, and they'll demonstrate the stereo mode like that. Now using it in mono mode was great. This is great for vlogging, and if you're sitting in front of the camera, this is great. It sounds a whole lot better in my opinion than the onboard mic on the Sony ZV-1. And then when you have the bi-directional on here, this is great mode as well if you're interviewing someone. And I think it's great. Now the back mic didn't sound as loud as the front mic in the bi-directional mode, but it's a great feature to have on here nonetheless. Battery, not sure how long the battery lasts. I haven't had to charge it. I've been doing all those clips and doing this, and the battery is still showing a great amount of battery right there. The low cut filter, don't know about that. I used it and I'm not sure if it was good or not. I really didn't see too much of a difference on it at all. Being able to take this around, and the weight of it is not bad at all, and the accessories that you get as well. So you get your wind socks, which I didn't have to use. It wasn't very windy outside, but overall this is a great product. Now the price is going to run you from $150 all the way up to $180. It depends on where you get it from. I'll drop a couple links in the description down below. But yeah, man, this is unique. A lot different than the others, and it offers a lot of features that the other shotgun mics don't offer. So that's my look at the Comical Traxshot transformable all-in-one shotgun mic. Catch you guys in the next video. Wheels, gadgets, and more. I'm out.